Good morning, it's Cam Brar with Cam's Mortgage Minute for April the 10th. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Bank of Canada qualifying rate. There is a lot of folks who don't know exactly what this means, so we're going to take a couple of minutes and spell it out for you. The current Bank of Canada qualifying rate is 5.44%. Now, when does this rate apply to you? Well, if you're looking for a mortgage term that is less than 5 years, so in other words, if you're looking for a 1, 2, 3-year rate, whatever that may be, then you have to use the Bank of Canada qualifying rate to meet the guidelines if it's a high ratio mortgage. So if you've got less than 20% down and you want a 3-year term with a super duper rate, what the lender will do is use the Bank of Canada qualifying rate. The other times this will happen is when you're looking for a variable mortgage. So if you're looking for a variable rate mortgage, again it's high ratio, in other words less than 20% down. The lender will again use the benchmark rate of 5.44% to qualify you. Now, this doesn't mean that's the rate you will pay, but this is the rate your ratios have to qualify on. And if your ratios don't fit the guidelines with these the Bank of Canada rate, what will happen is you won't be eligible for that product. If you're looking for a 5-year fixed term rate, you just use the 5-year rate. So there is no qualifying rate in that scenario. That's why a lot of folks are now going into the fixed products, and it seems like a 5-year or greater seems to be the one that's most popular. The reasoning behind this and why the Bank of Canada is wanting to do this is they want to prepare people for rate shock. They don't want it that in 3 or 5 years or 4 years, whenever people are up for renewal, the rate is much higher. So if you took a 2-year rate and you qualified on the Bank of Canada rate today, then they know with some confidence that if rates go up, you're well prepared for it. It is, in my opinion, not a bad idea at all. One should always be safeguarding to make sure that you qualify. You've got to build in some risk into the scenario. You don't want to just be squeaking in today and only to be dealing with problems later when the rates inevitably do move up. Anyway, the Bank of Canada does update this on a regular basis, and this has been the recent change, so we now have the 5.44. Any questions relating to this, anything to do with qualifying for a mortgage, or if you're looking for a new home or refinancing your existing one, give us a call. Give me a call, Cam the Mortgage Man, and I'll be happy to assist you. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your day.